Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to RC Hotel. I'm Rika. I'm butler service for today. May I know if you have any reservation?
Yes, I have.
Okay, ma'am. May I carry your luggage?
Sure.
Okay. I received your luggage. Your luggage is color black. There's any fragile inside?
Nothing.
Okay, ma'am. Please come in. Please have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
May I borrow your ID, ma'am, for your verification to your reservation?
Sure, here.
Thank you, ma'am. Please excuse me. I will go to the front desk to verify your reservation and to get your key.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, front desk. May I verify the reservation of Miss Trina? Here's her ID. Yeah, sure. The reservation of Miss Trina has been verified. Here's her ID and her key. Her room number is 221. Thank you, Miss Front Desk. Excuse me, ma'am. Your reservation has been verified. Here's your ID and your key. Your room number is 221. Please follow me. I will assist you into your room.
Okay, thank you.
This way. We are going to second floor to your room, and for our facilities, we have coffee area at the first floor beside of lobby and front desk. And if you want to sleep, we have swimming area at the outside of the lobby, or maybe you want to gym or to go to the restaurant located on third floor beside of fire and heat. And to our room is all at second floor. And now we are here to room 221. May I borrow your key?
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am. May I in first, ma'am, to check the room?
Sure.
Thank you. Please come in, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here's your bed, ma'am, a king size bed. Your aircon is 1.5 HP. And if you don't want to use the aircon, we have electric fan here, ma'am. And here's your television, ma'am, and this is your remote and your cable. And for your Wi-Fi, here's the Wi-Fi. And look at the back, there's a password here. And for your bathroom, ma'am, inside the bedroom, we have for your closet. If you want to use this, your clothes, just put it here. And also, here's your sink, and here's your toilet, and also the bathtub, ma'am. Also, we have hot and cold water. If you have anything you want, don't hesitate to dial the 0 for your room services. May I go now, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for choosing RC Hotel. And we are happy to have you. And if you have anything you want or anything you need, don't hesitate to dial the 0 to the telephone. And we are here for your room service. Once again, I'm Rika. I'm your butler service for today.